There we go. So I should be live there on YouTube. Looks like my audio works now on YouTube. So let me see. Okay. So it is having some trouble with my, yes, YouTube works now. Okay. Thank you very much. For some reason, my audio is being weird. I might have to bring it back to screen one. I wonder if I don't have my audio set up, because on this one I have a dual screen. So I wonder if that works. Okay. Yeah, that works. So I can't use my second monitor. That's why. So yes, YouTube works with sound. So good to see you guys all here in the house here. So, okay, my bad. I really got thrown off there with my technical difficulties, but I am here now. Everything is working just fine as it appears. So let's go ahead, guys. Let's go ahead, get back to what I was discussing. I'm going to go back to my intro because my intro was missed there on my first YouTube. So we're going to go ahead and rediscuss it here. So what I've been talking about, guys, is I think the foundation has been laid. Yep, go ahead and jump to YouTube, guys, if you guys want to. YouTube's back up. So if you guys want to jump to YouTube, the YouTube stream is back. But let's go ahead and discuss what I was talking about. I think the foundation was laying here, guys. So if you guys have seen the on-chain metrics of Bitcoin, the whales sold the top of that 64K, and as they sold, they continued to deaccumulate. Thank you guys so much here joining me on YouTube. There we go. To deaccumulate, they the price started to go down as they started to deaccumulate. Now, however, there was a large spike of buys from whales between that have 1,000 and 10,000 Bitcoin, which is absolutely crazy. Crypto Crow coin is here, so it's awesome. Good to see you there on YouTube. Barclays have stopped payment to Binance in the UK. I think, like I said, Binance is going to have a Binance UK just like it has a Binance US, so they're not able to use the other normal Binance. So I think that's what the case is there. But yes, like I said, I think with the foundations are laid. You're seeing a frothy stock market. You're seeing a frothy real estate market. You are seeing whales just start to pick back up with buying Bitcoin. You are seeing, some political. You are seeing some political unrest. You're seeing a lot of things right now. And I think right now, guys, this is the perfect storm. This is the perfect storm for Bitcoin. What's your preferred exchange? I'm considering moving everything to Kraken. I like KuCoin. KuCoin's been my preferred exchange as of late. It's been my preferred one. But like I said, guys, I think this is the perfect storm. And this is the reason I think that part 2 is coming soon. The whales are starting to accumulate down here at 30,000. Whales have been liking this $30,000 Bitcoin. And, with that, with those buys, I think right now, we're seeing such low volume. And actually, I think Bitboy pointed out today as well that Bybit is no longer going to allow United States. They're not going to allow United States people to trade there. So people are going to have to find elsewhere to go. You can do it on KuCoin. You can do it on, I think it's Prime. I think it's called Prime XBT. I think that's where I'm headed to. Maybe I can get a code so I can get you guys on that. Yeah, Prime XBT is where I'm going. So some people use Femex and all of that as well, but I'm going to Prime XBT. Whale scooped up a lot of Bitcoin recently. Is Wyckoff still valid? Yes, it is. Whale scooped up. It will be more valid once Bitcoin can get to that 36,000-ish, 36.5-ish area. But that's what we're waiting for, is Bitcoin to get up there, and then it will be validated. Whale scooped up a lot of Bitcoin recently. Yes, they did. But the moderate-sized whales that have between 1,000 and 10,000 Bitcoin have accumulated greatly. And actually, the retail never stopped buying, which is awesome. We've still seen wallet addresses and accumulation up and to the right for retail investors. We've seen a recent massive spike in whales between 1 and 10,000 that have 1 and 10,000 Bitcoin. And there is no on-chain metrics for whales bigger than the 10,000, but I'm sure they're accumulating as well. And obviously you saw Michael Saylor accumulate accumulating as well. But I think we're going to find that more institutions accumulated at this $30,000 level as well. And I think round 2 of the bull run here is coming very, very, very soon. I think in the next couple of weeks here even. I think we're going to find our way up well into the 40s. With the hash rate down as far as it was, we were still able to hold that $30,000 level very, very strongly. So when the hash rate goes back up 20, 30% again, I think we're going to be easily into the 40s. I don't think that'll even be a question. So I'm really excited for that. Transaction times are back up on the blockchain as well. So like I said, those things are very, very bullish in coming here for the future. And let's go ahead and check out the chart here. I'll go ahead and check this chart out. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and refresh this. There we go. Let's go to the Bitcoin chart. As you guys can see here, we're sitting at 33.6. I'm going to go ahead and pull up a couple. One of the things that I want to show you guys, I'm going to show you guys the stochastic RSI. I wanted to show you guys the stochastic RSI specifically on the weekly. Nice to see you in person, bro. All moms. Oh yes, I think we had a funny chat in the. We had a pretty funny chat. I think it was on like Mason's live or something. You and I were going back and forth. That is pretty hilarious. Where's Rico at? Rico will be coming. Rico always comes. He always comes midstream. I'm trying to show you guys the best I can here for TikTok as well, but it's best viewed on YouTube. If you guys want to go to YouTube, go to Begin Crypto on YouTube. Just type that in. You guys will see this live in action. But what I wanted to show you guys is take a look at the stochastic RSI on the weekly. So every time we've actually bottomed out to 1 or almost 0 here, we've seen a massive, massive leg up soon after. So on the weekly here, let's keep going. I want to go way back because there's so many examples. See how big I can make this. Let's see. So we got down here. We touched nearly 0 here. And from there until the next peak, oops, I'll hold it over here. So you see, for example, we're back here in like 17, okay? So you saw we bottomed out here and we moved up here to almost 100 on the RSI. That was so if I go from the bottom to where we were at the top, that's a 487% move. That was after a true bottom out there on the weekly stochastic RSI. Let's go to the next bottom out. Next true bottom, almost 0. Well, let's just see if I can show you guys even recently. The last time we bottomed out here was September of 19. Oops, right there. September of 19 is bottom out here. And from there until the next peak, actually really wasn't that high. But from there until the last time that we peaked was, let's see, right here. And the last time we peaked, obviously here, was a 898% move. So a lot of times when this weekly truly, truly bottoms out, look at that. Rico, there he is. He came in just in time. Love TA, Crypto Maxi. That's freaking awesome. We love to see that. But as I want to show you guys on the weekly, guys, a lot of times after we see a bottom out on this chart, we see a massive run back to the upside. This is a 12, but yeah, this is the 0. So like I said, from 0 all the way to this top over here, we saw like an 800% move. Same thing back here. Probably looks small here, but this bottom out here to this move up here, like I said, is 345%. It doesn't look like a lot on this chart because the chart's so small, but the last time we bottomed out, again, until we moved all the way up to the top side, was a 345% movement. So we go ahead and bottom out and we see a 345% movement from where we are right now. let's just say, I mean, I think that's pretty conservative, especially for a second leg in a bull run. Because I mean, this wasn't from here. If the last bottom out until here is, almost 1,000%. So let's say we even did half of that, since we're, the market cap's moved up and all of that. Let's just say we even get 50% of that move. So let's say we get a 500% move to the upside. I mean, 500% move to the upside is 196. So you'd be flirting with 200,000. That's if it's a 500% move. And very, very conservatively, even if we go ahead and see just a 300% move, you're looking at 140, 139-ish, somewhere in there, which would keep the stock to flow model still relevant. It would keep a lot of things relevant and moving in the crypto market. So I wanted to make sure I showed you guys that on the chart. RSI dropping. Yep. Is that RSI dropping? Where are you looking at, Red Dog? On the 4-hour chart, we're just getting the turn up. We're just getting a turn upward here on the RSI. On the 4-hour chart, if you guys are looking at that, we're just getting a little tick to the upside, but we're dang near bottomed out there. I think it'll be 30. Was that back in 2018? Yes. No. So the 2018 move, that 300% move, that was the 2017-18 move. The 800% move was from September of 19 until now. That's the last time we saw it bottom out. And now, right now, we're again seeing it bottom out. That's why I think we're seeing the foundation of the leg up for this bull run coming really soon, because I think 30,000 here. I think the whales brought us down. Casey says, yeah, that's what I was wondering, the 30%. Yep. So like I said, even for the 300%, I think the 300, like I said, a 300% move here is, flirting with 100, right around 100,000. So, and that could even be the top as well. Like I said, I was much more bullish, and I think right now the stock to flow model would have us at like 80,000 right now. But I think this temporary manipulation will find us, somewhere near that here fairly, not fairly soon, but like I said, in the somewhat short term, I think we're going to go ahead and see that soon. Casey says, hey, Angel. Hey, good to see you. I'm Bullseye 360. Good to see you. WRX. Good to see you. That's what I'm talking about right now is Bitcoin. So, but yeah, that's what I'm looking at here with Bitcoin. I want to continue to put a higher high in. So a higher high above 36.6 would be very, very nice. So we're looking at getting to this 37, mid 37 to 38 would be very, very nice, especially for the Wyckoff. The Wyckoff accumulation phase, a move up here before a move down to a higher high, and then hopefully we could blast off to 40,000. So I'm hoping that we're going to go see something more like this. What do you guys think as well? Would you guys be comfortable with getting back into the 2K to 1 million challenge here fairly soon? Like I said, the reason that I stopped was I was not confident that we found a bottom there at 40,000, and obviously we didn't, because if I would have kept going, we probably would have had to pull, take some profits and probably set some stop losses. Maybe that's what we could do too, is maybe I can go a lot more to, you guys can use crypto.com, but maybe we could go a lot more to KuCoin as our main account. And from there, you guys can actually set stop losses and limit sells and all of that. You guys can go ahead and set those so that we don't get ourselves in trouble in case this does go bad. But I'm thinking about starting the 2K to 1 million challenge up really soon. I'll go ahead and show you guys my portfolio for that very soon as well. I think I'm at about like $4,200, which we were at 9,000, almost 9,200, something like that, in April. So we started at 2K, early, February, and then in 2 months we were up to 9,000. We almost 4x'd in that 2 month span, that 2.5 month span, and then we saw that slow decline. We didn't play enough defense. We saw about 4. I mean, Rico knows. Rico's been here through the whole thing too. So's Red Dog. But we saw pullbacks, and they were pullbacks like we haven't. I mean, when we were in April, we saw pullbacks like we've seen before, and we thought we were getting those similar pullbacks at 30, 35%, and it just kept going. So it's intimidating for beginners, but as soon as they get it. It's so good. Absolutely. I always set stop losses. KuCoin is amazing. Alt moms trades. That's awesome. That's exactly what you should be doing as well. So I think I'm going to go ahead and get yes, definitely pullbacks. Yeah, there were definitely pullbacks, just not one this big, not a 60% pullback. We saw 20s, we saw even 30s, mid 30s, but we didn't see a 60% pullback. So that's what made everything kind of tough there on the 2K to 1 million challenge. Rob, good to see you in the house as well. But I think I'm going to hop back in the Discord here and be a lot more active in the Discord here. I want to start the 2K to 1 million challenge again. So I'm trying to get some activity for that as well, because I'd like to see that. Rob, I'm good. How are you? Hopefully you are well as well. But that's what I'm looking to do, guys, is get that started here again really soon, because I really think we found our bottom. I really do. I'm very, very confident, especially with what's been happening with whales buying, with news, with Ethereum looking strong, EIP 1559 coming. The weekly RSI almost bottomed out, as you guys saw that as well. I think we're looking very, very good. So 33.4 right now for Bitcoin. Pretty much everything else is going to follow it. Ethereum is going to be looking pretty solid as well. But overall, guys, that's exactly what we're looking at here. Where the heck is Patrick? Yeah, we got to get the OGs back in this thing. He's been living his life on the boat, though. He became a millionaire like 3 different times. He became a millionaire of just, I think, buying and holding like Pancake Swap and all of those like good projects. And then he went ahead and put all of that in Doge, became a millionaire again. And then he took some Doge profits, and he put that in Cumrocket and Cummies. And and he hit that again. So Robin Hood says 31.3K is where he's looking at. Let's see. Yeah, I see what you're saying there. That's what you're looking for some support. Robin Hood, if you guys are not right. He thinks there's going to be some support where those candles right in that area where we've seen some strong support. 31. This is on the 4-hour chart. He's probably looking at the day chart. Yep, exactly what I was thinking. He's looking at the day chart. I was looking at the 4-hour. This is where he's seeing the support here. Might see what he's saying is we might see a run back down here to the downside one more time before we go up. It could. That's sick. I brought kayaks with my Doge money the day before SNL. That is freaking awesome. Yes, hold and accumulate. Pullback was brutal, but handled this one so much better than a few years ago. Rico said he killed it. 3x. Yeah, he did. Donnie, thank you for sharing the live. I'm swing trading on these waves. Altmom, make sure you join our Discord. I think you'd be an awesome contributor to our Discord. I'm going to go ahead and let me see if I can do this. I'm going to go ahead and actually, it's good to see you and meet you here. I'm going to go ahead and make you a moderator too. Let's see if I can go ahead and do that really quick. There we go. I think I should be able to add you now. I'm going to go ahead and add you quick. There we go. Altmom Trades is now a moderator as well, along with Red Dog and Rico. So good to see you guys. Thank you, Altmom, for being for me volunteering you to be a moderator. I live in crypto. A lot of Doge doggy coins on Pancake Swap. A bit of a gamble, but worth it. Yeah, Crypto Mason actually. Crypto Mason just posted a video yesterday too. He said he was going to gamble on one, and he actually he said he 12x real quick and got out. So good for him. Crypto Mason's one of my dudes here on this app. So I'll take a look at Doge World Finance, first Doge Dex ever. Makes Doge smart, live at July 19th. Very interesting. However, I'm going to go ahead and pass on the doggy coin. Alex. No hate against you. Bro, FCA in the UK have told banks to ban purchases of crypto on Binance. That's crazy. Federal, wow. Or that's in the UK, you said? FCA. Barclays stops UK clients from sending funds to Binance. That's very interesting. Like I said, that's to be expected. I don't think that's too big of a massive worry by any means. I don't think that's a massive worry, guys. Especially with we know what Binance, we know what's happening with Binance in the UK, even though that's bad. Ada, Red Dog, Rico said, I'll help out whenever I'm around. Good job. That's awesome. Make sure you join the Discord, All Moms. I'll add you as a moderator in there as well. We could use you in there, especially as we rev this 2K to 1 million challenge back to the upside. So, Rory McBaron, good to see you as well. There we go. That's really good. But yeah, like I said, that's some fun. Ada, I'll go ahead and take a look at Ada quick. Ada is one of those projects, guys. It's one of the 3 projects that I will hold into the bear market. One of the reasons is because it's so resilient. Is the price resilient? I think my man Crypto Weatherman talked about a couple price resilient projects, and Cardano is one of them for sure. Where do I get my deals? Smiles. I like KuCoin. I'm in the UK. Use PayPal to return fiat back in the bank. There you go. We got to get creative now. So we definitely got to get creative now. My trading view started over. There we go. Now we have Ada up here. But it's a very, very price resilient crypto. I'm going to go back and go back into my indicators, go back to the regular, grab the regular RSI. Didn't look like it went. We'll try again. If I could type RSI instead of PSI. There. Trading nearly, right, I mean, at least on the day chart, right at 50. Right now, let's go ahead and go to a shorter time frame. Yeah, back down here right around 50. But I think Cardano's still going to depend a little bit on Bitcoin moving to the upside. But it looks like we've been, outside of that wick down, we've still been holding pretty strong, fairly strong on that support on this downside here. But like I said, I think we come back down here and dip at this 130 all the way down to this 136. If that doesn't hold, we'll probably see some support here. Looks like at this 129-ish area. So good to see you guys connecting to Smiles and Robinhood. Good to see you guys. TRX, Rory. No, TRX is not good. Do not touch TRX. Do not touch Tron, in my opinion. I literally think Tron is just trying to scoop up your money so that Justin Sun and the boys can go buy more Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's what he did this last move down to the downside. So I've got huge resistance at 135 to 140 once it breaks. That we go to 165. That must be Cardano, by the way. But yeah, Tron I wouldn't touch. I would not touch Tron. I think Tron is not a good project. And I don't trust Justin Sun there at all. We're at 138. Seeing a little more movement to the upside, but down about 5% right now on the day. And overall, let's go ahead and check out CoinMarketCap. I'm going to go ahead and refresh. I think we're at 1.4 again, right around for the market cap. 1.392. So, right around that 1.4 trillion. We were creeping up to that 1.5 trillion yesterday in total market cap. But ADA, yeah. Use Coinbase Pro. Yeah, you definitely could use Coinbase Pro as well. What about AMP? AMP solid Telcoin been going pretty solid. But like I said, I've been keeping my nose in the top 25 as of late, especially with Bitcoin doing what it's been doing. I think it's really, really important to, if you always want to accumulate some project, smaller cap projects, you certainly can, but we still need Bitcoin to move back to the upside before we can go ahead and feel more confident about grabbing these smaller cap altcoins. I think XRP still undervalued. Like I said, I think once, even if it's going to be September, October, when this SEC lawsuit gets over, whenever that happens, it's going to be an explosive movement. You scroll down here. Binance, Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, Polkadot, Uniswap in the top 10, Bitcoin Cash 11, Litecoin, Solana, Chainlink, Polygon, rounding out that top 15. ICP still up there with about a $6 billion market cap. maybe starting to find a little more support there, but still wouldn't trust them quite yet. Theta at $5 still feels like a steal to me. VeChain looking at 8 cents still feels like a steal to me. Sub 300 Aave should be pretty solid. There's been some bullish news about Aave lately, up 20%, obviously, as you guys can see. Let's take a look at who's up for the week right now. Compound and Synthetics. It looks like a lot of these DeFi projects are starting to boom a little bit. You see Compound up, Zinfin, you see Synthetics, EGLD up 43%, back up to $100. The graph pumping as well. Cosmos, Celsius Maker, yeah, KuCoin. A lot of these DeFi type projects are moving up and to the right. Quantum up 9%. Engine at $1.08. I still think those DeFi or the NFT projects, Aave surprised me. It's one of the price resilient cryptos. Absolutely, it definitely is. And Aave, especially with some institutional backing, as it sounds like they're getting to be, I think that's going to be something big as well. Tim, like I said, I DM'd you on Discord. Make sure I want to connect with you. Like I said about that show, I think, like I said, a lot of people have been excited about us maybe doing a show. So I'd love to do a big show once a week kind of thing on YouTube. I'll go ahead and make it a podcast as well. Like I said, I'll do all the tech work and all of the uploading to Apple and all of those big podcasts. But like I said, I think you and I should really do it because, like I said, our viewpoints are some very similar and some very different. I think that's something that we could go ahead and run with, especially on YouTube. So hit me back up, Tim, if you can. Okay, I rate a family, been eating my time trying to put my kids up for adoption. I mean, holy crap, that is hilarious. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the weekend too, Tim. Compound also, yeah, Compound. But like I said, a lot of these DeFi projects, guys, are going crazy. And for what it's worth, do you guys like when I go live at night sometimes too? Because like I said, I've been wanting to go live in the afternoon and at night. But yeah, I might do that as well. Definitely. Yeah, everybody's laughing at you, Tim, saying that kids be eating up your time. So Terra Luna is another project that I'm super bullish on, guys. I really love Terra Luna. Rico, I know Rico. I don't know if he actually got out of the flip. Rico, let me know. Did you the Shaquille O'Neal and Charles Barkley of crypto shows? That's exactly it. Rico, I love it. That is exactly true. We always enjoy your lives. That's absolutely true. Both of our lives, of course. Crypto Weatherman's lives are good too. What I wanted to say, though, was that, Rico, will you remind me? I know you flipped all of your VeChain for Luna. And I know you flipped all your VeChain for Luna sometime in like April-ish. How did that work out? Were you able to get out and make some profit? Or did you have to eat Luna and hold on to Luna? Because I bought a bag of Luna at $6.50. So I'm still not that far down. And I think it still could get to $25, $35 as soon as we see a move back to the upside again. Luna was on a roll. And it was one of the only projects that TokenMetrics was pushing on me. But man, is Fed? They don't like Bitcoin. They definitely don't. I mean, I can't say they definitely don't. But like I said, any competition to the dollar, they're going to absolutely hate. Disney tours. Oh, hi. Hi. Yes, I heard you come in. So, but yes, VeChain here at 8 cents. I like as well. HBAR being resilient. Like I said, that's another one of Tim's resilience. I bought Luna and flipped it for 35% profit. That's why, Rico. That's why you're the man. But like I said, I grabbed the bag at $6.50 of Luna. I think that was a pretty good price. If we turns out we're going to keep moving to the upside here in a bull run, I think $6.50 Luna is a solid bias play for if we're looking at this in a longer term. Fed's got no choice in the end. Yeah, they really don't. They don't. Like I said, this thing grew up way too big. Whales are way too invested. I think they'll be able to use it to their advantage. They'll find a way to use it to their advantage. They always do. So, but awesome, guys. Thank you guys so much here. Good to see you guys this afternoon. I hope you guys enjoyed your fourth for those that are in the United States. Like I said, the 2K to 1 million challenge is coming back soon. I'm probably going to put some TikToks on about it soon, where I'm at right now. Yeah, like I said, I think that's what we're going to go ahead and do from there. We're going to go ahead and get that rolling back to the upside soon. I'm going to definitely, like I said, talk to Crypto Weatherman about the show. Yeah, I think you guys would really, really enjoy the show. So I think even creators would enjoy the show. We could, occasionally have a creator on. and all of that. But thank you guys so much here, Angel Begin Crypto. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe here on YouTube. I've got a couple questions on YouTube I'll answer real quick before I go. Justice, he says, crypto has made so many millionaires. It's exciting to see so many lives change. Absolutely, Justice. I completely agree. I'm going to use this crypto money to move into real estate, like I said, and I think that we're going to use the real estate cash flow to move back into crypto. And it's going to be a never-ending cycle that's going to bring wealth to my family, and hopefully that process showing you guys that will bring it to many others. Hi, will you check Ethereum Classic? I just checked Ethereum Classic, although I'm not a big fan of Ethereum Classic. It'll pump with Ethereum. A lot of times we're at 53, up 25% for the week. I also think that you guys are going to go ahead and see those miners who are going to leave Ethereum. They're going to go to Ethereum Classic. Massey says, stay away from BitTorrent. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of BitTorrent either. That's Justin's Son project as well. Where are these millionaires? I ain't one yet. Don't worry. We'll get there soon, guys. We'll get there soon, and we'll get there together. Trying to stop banks linking in crypto, but plenty of other ways. That's absolutely true. So many other ways to get money. There's other PayPal, Cash App, all of that. You can get money into crypto in so many other ways. So don't be disheartened. Make sure you guys tap the screen, guys, on TikTok. Make sure you guys go ahead and smash subscribe if you guys are watching here on YouTube. Please smash subscribe. Hit the like button. Also, guys, I didn't plug this yet. $500 altcoin giveaway in the link on TikTok. $500 altcoin giveaway as well in the description of my YouTube. Make sure you guys go ahead and enter that so you guys can enter to win that $500 altcoin giveaway. The 2K to 1 million challenge, guys, is coming back soon. I'm super excited. There's a lot of good things. We have a great foundation in the cryptocurrency market right now. Everything's building up. Hash rates going up. Transition times are coming. The other miners that got kicked out of China, they're settling somewhere. The whales are starting to buy again. Tim and I are going to hopefully have a show here, a big show on YouTube and on a podcast for those who are foreign watchers. Mom, thank you so much for all these roses. That is very, very nice of you. The 2K to 1 million challenge is coming back. You guys can enter to win that $500. I did start a Patreon, just started a Patreon as well. If you guys want to support me, go ahead and buy me, a cup of coffee or something like that on Patreon. Go ahead and do that. So a lot of positive things, and that's what you guys are going to get here if you guys join our lives with Rico, with Red Dog, with Alt Moms. Angel, I will share it with you 50-50, bro. There you go. I love it. I love it. Thank you guys so much. Angel here, Begin Crypto. Robin, I appreciate that a lot. Until next time, Angel, Begin Crypto. Talk soon, guys. Peace.